Unveil the frequency of positivity and exceptional audio with the House of Marley positive vibration frequency headphones, embarking on a melodic journey where each note resonates with upbeat vibes. Infused with the spirit of Bob Marley's positive vibration anthem, House of Marley introduces their latest jewel, the positive vibration frequency over-ear headphones. These headphones seamlessly combine sustainable design, extended playtime, and premium sound quality, offering a complete auditory experience. Constructed using aluminum, wood, rubber, and fabric, the positive vibration frequency headphones feature a diverse material composition. The ear cups showcase an aluminum core housing a wooden center disc, while the prominent aluminum House of Marley logo graces the core. An artistic rubber accent adorns the ear cup's outer rim with a splatter paint-like design, adding visual appeal and reinforcing eco-friendly principles. The headphone's sleek over-ear design ensures a comfortable fit, weighing only 215 grams and exerting gentle clamping force, perfect for prolonged listening. The exposed coil cabling above the ear cups is fashioned from fabric material. While the ear cups tilt up and down, they lack a swivel mechanism, preventing them from laying flat. This shortcoming becomes apparent during transportation, particularly without a protective hardshell case. On a positive note, a water-resistant pouch is included to minimize wear and tear. Additionally, the headphones are foldable, achieving a pocket-friendly form factor. Within the ear cups, thin fabric covers 40 mm drivers. The earpad's interior hole measures 5 cm in height, 3.5 cm in width, and 1.5 cm in depth. The outer padding measures 8.5 cm in height and 7.5 cm in width. The EARC-UP depth may be shallow for those with prominent ears. Notably, the earpads are removable for replacement. Opting for a distinct approach, the positive vibration frequency headphones employ a suspension-style headband with yoke wire adjustment instead of the standard ratchet-style click mechanism. The headband features slight padding on both sides, with breathable mesh fabric underneath and PU leather on top, engraved with the Marley logo. Measuring 3 cm wide, this design assures comfort during extended listening sessions. The 40 mm drivers offer commendable audio quality but lack support for the AAC codec and wired audio. Sound quality excels across various genres, spanning deep bass to clear trebles. The earpads provide adequate passive noise isolation, creating an immersive audio environment, though not as immersive as the House of Marley Exodus ANC headphones. Notably, the positive vibration frequency headphones do not feature active noise cancellation, unlike the predecessor, the Positive Vibration XL ANC. Integrated on the right EARC-UP are 3 rubber buttons for play, pause, power, track navigation, and call management, without clicking feedback. These controls are mirrored on the left EARC-UP. Regrettably, mobile app support is absent, limiting customization. Battery-wise, the positive vibration frequency headphones deliver about 33 hours of playtime at 50% volume from a full 2-hour charge. Moreover, they offer rapid charging, providing 4 hours of playback from a mere 15-minute charge. Comparably, these headphones match the battery life of the Positive Vibration XL ANC version, exceeding the non-ANC Positive Vibration XL headphones by 10 hours. Standout features of the positive vibration frequency over-ear headphones encompass sound quality, compact design, extended battery life, and eco-friendly materials. While they offer reasonable pricing, they lack active noise cancellation, wired audio, AAC codec, and mobile app support, common in competitors. The microphone performs well in quiet environments but offers limited noise cancellation during calls.